Thanks for joining today. Let's get started. Come to comfortable seated position. Right leg front. Sit tall. Roll your shoulders back. Relax your shoulders. Rest your palms on your knees. Little bit tuck your chin. Close your eyes. Deep breathe in through your nose. Fill your lungs. Fill your belly. Deep exhale through your nose. Observe the flow of the breathing. Now 3 times inhale through your nose, exhale, open your mouth side out. Circle your head 3 times in one direction, 3 times in the opposite way. Inhale, half circle, exhale, back to center. Other way. Circle your shoulders 3 times in one direction, 3 times in the opposite way. Other way. Now, sitting cat cow. Inhale, belly front, chest front, look up. Exhale, tuck your belly in, curl your spine, tuck your chin. Inhale, exhale. Couple more like this. Inhale, sit tall. Exhale, right ear to right shoulder. If available, left hand down on the mat. Little bit tuck your chin. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, left ear to left shoulder. Right hand down on the mat. Tuck your chin. Inhale, back to center. Both arms up. Look up. Exhale. Right hand on your, left hand on your right knee. Right hand behind you. And twist over to right. Inhale, back to center, both arms up, look up, exhale, other side. Right hand on your left knee, left hand behind you, sit tall and twist over to left. Inhale, release. Now make a L shape, right leg front and L shape left leg back like this. Inhale, sit tall. Exhale, turn to right. Inhale, back to center, sit tall. Exhale, hinge towards your right foot. Inhale, release, other side, left leg front, make 90-degree angle, right leg back. Inhale, sit tall, exhale, turn your body over to left. Close your eyes. Deep breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your nose. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, hinge towards right foot. Sorry, left foot. Inhale, release. Bring your body to first downward dog. Spread out your fingers. Pedal your heels one by one. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, jump front. Now, elbow to elbow, catch elbow to elbow, relax your head. Head hangs heavy. Relax your body. Shake your head, yes. Shake your head, no. Slowly release your arms and both hand down. Inhale, exhale, walk your hands forward to right. Relax your head. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, over to left. Now inhale, back to center. Exhale, breathe out. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, side out, forward fold. Inhale. Last one. Inhale. Bend your knee. Come to slowly all the way to standing. Both arms up. Palms touching each other. Little back bend. Exhale all the way to down forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, send your left leg back, left foot back, left knee down. Both arms up. Little back bend. Inhale. Exhale, release your arms, both hands down on the mat, and send your right foot back, high plank. Inhale. Exhale, both knees down. Bend your elbows. Bring your chest down. Pelvis down. Inhale, Bhujangasana Cobra pose. Exhale, back to downward dog. Inhale, left leg up. Bring your left foot beside your left thumb. Release your right knee down. Untuck your toes. Both arms up. Back bend. Inhale. Exhale. Release your arms. Bring your right foot front. Forward fold. Now, root your both hands down. Jump back to high plank. Inhale, bring your body front. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right leg up. Bend your knee. Stack your hip. Circle your ankle. Right ankle. Other way. Then inhale, level up your hip. Extend your right leg. Exhale, bring your right foot beside your right thumb. Ball of your back foot, high lunge pose. If possible, bring your both hands on your right knee. Step 2. Both hands up, both arms up. Bend your right knee. High lunge pose. Hands to your heart center. Inhale, hinge forward. Exhale, twist to right side. Left elbow on your right knee. Inhale, back to center. Release your both hands on either side of your front foot and back the left knee down. Untuck your toes. Sink forward. Low lunge. Anjaneyasana. If available, bring your both hands on your front knee. Feel free to stay in this pose. If possible, arms up. Release your both arms, both hands on either side of your front foot, and bring your hip back over to left knee. Extend your front leg, Anumanasana, half split. Inhale, exhale, hinge forward. Bow your head. Inhale, bend your front knee. Send your right leg back to child resting pose. Big toes touch, knees apart. Relax your forehead on the yoga mat. Extend your both arms forward. Relax your body. Deep inhale through your nose. Deep exhale through your nose. Bring your body to downward dog. Inhale, left leg up, bend your knee, stack your hip. Circle your ankle. Other way. Your shoulders should parallel to the ground. Inhale, level up your hip, extend your left leg. Exhale, bring your left foot beside your left thumb. High lunge pose in other side. Bring your both hands on your left knee, if possible. Arms up to the sky. Your left knee just above your left ankle. Sink deep into this pose. Exhale, hands to your heart center. Inhale, hinge forward. Exhale, twist to left side. Right elbow on your left knee. Hands back to heart center. Release your both hands on either side of your front foot. Then release your right knee down. Untuck your toes. Sink your body deep to front. If possible, both hands on your front knee. Arms up to the sky. Low lunge pose. Release your both hands on either side of your front foot. Bring your hip back just above your right knee. Straighten your front leg. Half split. Anumanasana. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, hinge forward. Then inhale, bend your front leg. Then root your foot, both hands, and send your left foot back to downward dog. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right knee to right wrist, pigeon pose, Kapotasana. Untuck your back foot. Root your both hands on the mat. Sit tall. Breathe. If possible, bend your extended back leg. Cast that foot like this. King pigeon pose. Ekapata Raja Kapotasana. Slowly unwind your twist. Release your back leg. Now, hinge forward. Relax your forehead on the mat. Inhale, bring your body up. Then send your right leg back to downward dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left side pigeon pose. Left knee to left wrist. Extend your back leg. Sit tall. If possible, bend your back leg. Catch that foot. King pigeon. Slowly release your back leg. Then sink forward. Relax your forehead. Softly bring your body up. Come to all the way to standing pose. Now we are going to do eagle pose, Garudasana. Arms like this. Right arm over top of your left and make a twine twist like this. Lift your elbow up. Eagle arms. Now sit in the chair pose. Lift, transfer your whole weight over to right leg and lift your left leg slowly. Then make a twine twist. Eagle pose. Slowly release your legs, release your arms. Shake, shake, shake. Now other side. Now left arm over top of your right. Make a twine twist. Chair pose. Transfer your weight to left leg. Lift your right leg up. Make a twine twist. Slowly release your legs, release your arms. Shake, 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 shake. Now, dancer's pose. Bend your right leg. So first, rotate your arm clockwise direction, thumb facing back. Bend your right leg, catch your right foot, inner side. Left arm up to sky. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale. If possible, lift your right leg up. Slowly bring your leg back to down. Pose Natarajasana. Now, rotate your left arm anti-clockwise direction. Then bend your left leg. Catch your left foot from inner side. Right arm up to the sky. Inhale. Please feel free to stay with this. If possible, exhale, lift your left leg up. Slowly release, shake, 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 and lie down on your back. Hug your knees. Give a gentle massage to your back. Rock side to side. Happy baby. Release your feet in hip distance. Extend your left leg down to the mat. Hug your right knee. Final twist. Inhale. Exhale. Send your right leg to left side. Extend your both arms to gaze over to right. Bring your right leg back to center. Now, extend your right leg down. Hug your left leg in. Now, send your left leg to right side. Extend your both arms. Gaze over to left. Back to center. Give a final squeeze, 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 squeeze. Exhale to final Savasana. Your feet in mat width. Your arms beside your body. Palms face the ceiling. Let your fingers naturally curl. Tuck your chin a little bit. Close your eyes. Natural breath. Now, slowly wiggle your toes, fingers, your ankles, wrist, rock your hips side to side. Give a big stretch. Bend your knee, roll to right side. Your head resting on your right arm. Place your left hand down on the mat in front of your chest and slowly bring to comfortable seated position. Right leg front, hands to your heart center. Inhale, deep inhale. Side out. One more time. Inhale. Thumb to your third eye. Exhale. Bring a big smile. Namaste.